Good evening, folks. It's Diamond with the Oppenheimer Ranch Project and Magnetic Reversal News, bringing you a magnetic excursion update Friday, the 4th of July. You heard it, 8 p.m. Mountain Time 2025. Tropical Depression 3 is officially offshore of Georgia and may develop into the next tropical storm. It was also a deadly day in Texas. Unfortunately, major flooding in the Guadalupe River has 13 confirmed dead and 20 girls missing from a summer camp. Keep calm. It's boom time. And happy 4th of July, Independence Day. I hope you all had a wonderful day with your family and friends. Leah and I are going to do a rare thing tonight and head up to the fireworks at 9 p.m. in town and take a look at them for the first time. And now the tragic story, 13 dead, 20 girls missing from a summer camp in catastrophic Texas flooding. 13 fatalities have been confirmed, and frantic water rescues and searches are still underway today as catastrophic flooding unfolded in Texas on the 4th of July, caused by heavy rains that overwhelmed the Guadalupe River. Kerr County Sheriff Larry Letha told reporters 13 people were found dead from flooding in the area, warning, "I think there will be more when this is all over." And in fact, recently 20 girls, a new update, are now missing from a summer camp along the river. Here is what the flooding looked like earlier today. This is in Kerrville.
Holy sh**, this is crazy.
You could say that again.
Me? Wow.
Like, get me the hell out of here. Look at that big old piece of tree. It's not raining.
So there you have it. Catastrophic flooding happening today along the Guadalupe River. The river has come down quite a bit, which is good news as rescues continue there. Tropical Depression 3 forms off the southeast coast. Rain, gusty winds, and rip currents to impact the Carolinas. This new system will be short-lived, but it's expected to put a damper on holiday weekend plans along parts of the southeast coast, the coast with the most. Tropical Depression 3 currently maximum sustained winds at 35 miles per hour, and you can see here the motion of the storm. Saturday will move onshore, South Carolina and inland by Sunday, and move up into North Carolina. And here we are over at the National Hurricane Center. Let's just click on the key message. Same track showing here. Very little chance of just moderate flooding. This is not going to be a significant event. There will be heavy rainfall across the coastal Carolinas that may cause some flash flooding from Saturday through Monday. But inland, it looks much less severe. Here is the rainfall potential. You see those big numbers, 6 and 8 inches. That's offshore. Just 2 to 4 inches here near Wilmington. And the UAH data point is in for May. I thought June was out. Well, I do digress. Well, there's May's number, and it is lower, but I heard that June's number is even lower. Let me recheck the update on Roy's website. There it is. I just got the wrong graph. June is, in fact, in, and it is a little colder than it was in May. Just 0.48 degrees above baseline. So that's where we're at for June. And there looks like it's a cooling trend has been happening now for several years. And watching closely the weather models, Ryan Maui is for chances at a world record. Antarctica may go below minus 120 degrees Fahrenheit on July 12th from the most recent ECMWF model cycle, and that would be a world record. So Ryan is keeping a close eye on that, and I'm keeping a close eye on the climate scam. And now the full forecast. How's everybody doing out there? Above normal temperatures, strong thunderstorms, and tropical development is being monitored. Well above normal temperatures are forecast to shift from the northern plains through the northeast U.S. over the long holiday weekend. A few strong to severe thunderstorms will be possible as well, along with a potential for excessive rainfall. A tropical or subtropical depression could form off the southeast U.S. coast over the weekend while drifting northward to northeastward and then inland. Quick look at the GFS model, and you'll see that storm develop here, organize a little, and then hit the coast and kind of diminish there. Overall, kind of low-level severe activity all next week. So, nothing significant coming in the near future. And if we take a look at total accumulated precipitation to see if any flooding is going to come from this event, it does not look like there will be, except maybe just right there on the coast where you're going to pick up 3 to 4 inches of rain. Seismic update. Very low level activity worldwide. Interesting rumbler in Tasiilaq, Greenland. We've got a 4.2 here, 175 kilometers west of Bandon, Oregon. Other than that, very quiet on Earth. Worldwide volcano news for the 4th of July. Kirishima, first on the list, 10,000 feet. Ibu to 7,000. Semeru, volcanic ash reported. Here we have a nice puffing shot of Kirishima in Japan. Ash emissions have increased once again. Kirishima, 17,000 foot puff today. Popo to 20,000 feet. Liwotolo, volcanic eruption reported. Roventador, 14,000 foot blast. Ibu on the list. Semeru as well. Ibu to 7,000 feet. Popo to 19,000 feet. And wrapping up the list is Liwotolo, volcanic eruption reported. Bringing us to space weather. Very quiet day. Almost no sunspots, just tiny pricks. 3-day geomagnetic forecast is quiet. KP is low. Nothing is happening on the sun as we start descending into solar minimum. Interesting article here. A 300,000-year-old wooden tool made by Denisovans discovered in China. And wooden tools are very rare, especially a 300,000-year-old wooden tool. Most of them are made of pine. Here we can see these pointy objects were probably used for digging, tubers, or something like that. That's what they conclude here, digging sticks. 300,000-year-old digging sticks. Indeed. All the links will be below. Now, tomorrow on our show, Cosmic Catastrophe, exclusively on Rumble, 8 p.m. Mountain Time. We missed last week. Leah was under the weather. We are going to be discussing a number of topics that may interest you, and all the links to the papers will be below. New discoveries in Iran reveal an ancient civilization that may have predated Mesopotamia's rise by thousands of years. NASA scientists find ties between Earth's oxygen and its magnetic field, and they're baffled. And an astronaut photographs the elusive luminous event, the gigantic jet from the space station. We'll talk about all these topics and more tomorrow, 8 p.m., exclusively on Rumble, Magnetic Reversal News, 8 p.m. Mountain Time. And that's a boom to knowledge. Wish us luck that we get a good spot for the fireworks. Thank you all for watching. Hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. We just hit 91,000. We're trying to get to 100,000 by the end of the year, and we could use your help. Be safe. We love you. And that is a boom.